as part of chanting mantra. So this time I am trying to see how we can chant Lingashtakam together. So Lingashtakam is for Lord Shiva. So this is the lingam. Many people would have seen this image. So the Lingashtakam is very powerful mantra and is very melodious, and it has a very great power in it. So this Ashtakam means 8 segments, right? 8. So I have split this video into multiple parts. So let's take it slowly and gradually, and finally we can do it all together. Let's get started. Okay, so I have taken this reference from this Vijnanam website. So let's get started. This first word is, we can split it as two: Brahma Murari. Brahma Murari. Brahma Murari. And if we go to the second word, Surar Chita. Surar Chita. Surar Chita. Surar Chita. And this word is a single word, Lingam. If you see the dot over here, then we have to stress it, Lingam. So let's do the first line. Brahma Murari Surar Chita Lingam. So if we want to chant all together, the first line, Brahma Murari Surachita Lingam. Brahma Murari Surachita Lingam. Brahma Murari Surachita Lingam. Let's go to the second line. This is also again a two word. You can split it as two. Nirmala Bhashita. Nirmala Bhashita. Nirmala Bhashita. This is a single word. Shobita. If you see the dash over the letter, then you have to elongate it. It's not Sobita, it is Shobita. If you see the strike over the S, that means it is not just a S, it is like Sha, SH sound. Shobita Lingam. So let's do it together. Nirmala Bhashita Shobita Lingam. Let's chant the first two lines. Brahma Murari Surachita Lingam. Nirmala Bhashita Shobita Lingam. So now let's move on to the third line. Janmaja, 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 Dukkha, Dukkha, Janmaja Dukkha, Vinashaka. Can you see that again? A line over the A, we have to Vina, we have to elongate it, and dash over here it is like SH sound. Vinashaka Lingam. Let's do this line. Janmaja Dukkha Vinashaka Lingam. Let's do the first three lines. Brahma Murari Surachita Lingam. Nirmala Bhashita Shobita Lingam. जन्मज दुःख विनाशकलिंगम. Then the last line, you know that, right? So H has been removed. We see tat. It should be tat pranamami. You can think it as three words. Tat pranamami. Tat pranamami. Tat pranamami. This one you can again split it as two words. If you see the dash over the A and a stride over the S, Sada, not Sada, Sada Shiva, Sada Shiva Lingam. Tat pranamami Sada Shiva Lingam. So this line, if you see, this line will be keep on repeating as a last line as part of all the slokas. So let's do the first line all together. Brahma Murari Surarchitalingam Nirmala Bhashita Shobhitalingam Janmaja Dukkha Vinashakalingam Tat Pranamami Sada Shivalingam. Keep practicing the first sloka. Once you are comfortable, then we can start continuing the second one. So let me jump on to the second one. You can split this as two words. If you see the dash over there, it's not Deva, it is Deva. Deva Muni. Deva Muni. Deva Muni. And the next letter, next word, it may be little difficult, but let's try. You can see Prava until the A, which I highlighted here. Prava, Prava, Rar, Prava, Rar, Chita, Lingam. Deva Muni, Prava, Rar, Chita, Lingam. Deva Muni, Prava, Rar, Chita, Lingam. So let's do it one line together. Deva Muni Pravararchita Lingam. Deva Muni Pravararchita Lingam. Deva Muni Pravararchita Lingam. Okay, so now let's go to the next second line. This is Kama. Kama Dahana. Kama Dahana. Kama Dahana. Next is Karu Nakara. Karu Nakara Lingam. So let's try to do it together with a whole line. Kamadahana Karunakaralingam. Kamadahana Karunakaralingam. Kamadaha Karunakaralingam. The next line is a single word. See, Ravana. Ravana. Darpa. 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 Vinashana Lingam. Vinashana Lingam. Darpa Vinashana Lingam. Ravana Darpa रावणदर्पविनाशनलिङ्गम् रावणदर्पविनाशनलिङ्गम्. Then again the same line. Tat pranamami sada shivalingam. So let's do the second sloka together. Devamuni pravarachithalingam kamadahana karunakaralingam ravanadharpavinashanalingam tat pranamami sada shivalingam. So now let's chant the first and second together. Brahma Murari Surachithalingam Nirmala Bhashita Shobhitalingam Janmaja Dukkha Vinashakalingam Tat Pranamami Sada Shivalingam. Devamuni Pravarachithalingam Kamadahanam Karunakaralingam Ravanadarpavinashanalingam Tat Pranamami Sada Shivalingam. Thank you. We will continue the part 2 in the next video. Thank you very much.